Hi guys, my name is Amrish. You're watching Gourmet at Home. Today I will be sharing an ultimate recipe of grilled fish with you. The recipe is simple. You need not to be a skilled chef to cook this recipe. You don't require a fancy equipment or a long list of ingredients. You have to go to the market, buy the fresh local fish, ask your monger to clean it for you, and then you have to follow the recipe that I will be sharing with you in this video. It's all about freshness of the fish and the balance in the herb marinade. So let's start making the recipe of sutta mein. To prepare this recipe of sutta mein or the grilled fish, we just require selected ingredients. And here I have got some roughly chopped coriander leaves, sliced ginger, peppercorns, green chili, cumin seeds, few cloves of garlic, curry leaves, coconut and lemon. So we will blend this to a fine paste in the blender. First, let's season the fish with some salt, lemon juice and turmeric. For this recipe, I will be using white pomfret. So we'll season the fish with some lemon juice, salt and a pinch of turmeric. On the other side also we'll apply the same process, a little bit of salt and a pinch of turmeric. When you are giving a first seasoning or the first marination to the fish, always apply little bit of salt, because excessive salt makes the fish salty and dry. Make sure the salt and the lemon juice and the turmeric should go inside the incisions that we have made. Same on the other side as well. After the first marination, we just rest the fish for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, we'll make the paste of the spices and the herbs that we have selected for this recipe. So now I will add ginger, coriander, curry leaves, garlic, 1 green chili, coconut, peppercorns, cumin seeds and the turmeric powder. After the turmeric, I will add lemon juice, so you can see at this stage we have a very coarse paste of spices and the herbs that we have grinded in the jar. This is what we want for this recipe. So let's season the paste first with some salt, and now we'll mix it. After mixing the salt, we will apply the marinade on the fish, ensuring your marinade is going inside the incisions that we have made. I always prefer to use small fish for this recipe. If you are using a large fish, it's difficult to handle on the griddle. Now you can see we have applied the marinade inside the fish also. We'll just place the fish on the banana leaf. I'll just put some marinade on the bottom of the leaf. Now I'll place the fish, ensuring we have good amount of marinade on the fish. Now at this stage, we'll just cover the fish. After applying the marinade, I have folded the fish with the other half of the leaf. Now here the pan is ready. I will gently transfer the fish on the pan. So after placing the fish, let's cover it with a lid. In northern part of India, where chicken and lamb are the most preferred meat when it comes to non-vegetarian cooking, and when a person has an urge to prepare fish at home, this is the recipe to go. After cooking the fish on one side for 4 to 5 minutes, it's a time to flip the fish on the other side. Now at this time I will drizzle little oil on the pan. And now I will cover the fish again. If you don't have an access to banana leaves, you can always try this recipe in a butter paper or in the turmeric leaves. After grilling the fish for 4 minutes on the other side, the fish is ready to serve. I can feel the fresh flavors of ginger, coriander, curry leaves, coconut from the sides of the leaf. And also these flavors are giving me the confidence that the fish is cooked and it's ready to serve. So let's transfer the fish on the serving plate. I have placed the sliced lemon on the side and I am serving the grilled fish or sutta mein on the base of black pebble stones that represents water. It creates a mood and invites your senses to enjoy and savor every morsel of the grilled fish that we have prepared just now. Hope you enjoyed watching this simple and unique recipe of grilled fish. I am sure you will try this recipe in your kitchen and looking forward to see you again in our next episode of Gourmet at Home.